Everybody, in this video got a Stanley 828-145 shrouded steel padlock. I got this on eBay. It's brand new. It's out of the package, so I ended up getting it for just under $18. Not bad. It's my first Stanley, so I'm going to try to get it open and then gut it. And gutting it should be fun. If you've seen my other videos, how much trouble I have gutting padlocks that I've actually taken apart before, at least that style. Never tried this one before, so it should be fun. But I don't know, the plug though looks bigger than, it looks like a standard plug, like a half-inch plug or whatever, so if that's the case, it may not be that bad, because it's, the same as standard American house locks, which I take apart all the time. Okay, that's one trip down the pin stack, and I didn't feel anything that made me think there's security pins in this, which is interesting. But one fun thing about doing these videos is saying out loud what you think and then taking it apart and being wrong. I'm trying to make sure I get the one right behind the tension wrench here. I got it. Well, I think there's only got to be one of them holding it up now. Find it. See, no false sets, no counter rotation. Here it goes, number 3. Alright, so that's open, and then let's see if we can go ahead and gut it here. See what kind of alright, so there's no screw in there. Okay, so there's a locking nut, and it's under the part of the shackle. It's actually in the housing, so I guess we've got to take the shackle off. And it's Allen wrench. I don't know if it's going to be standard or metric. So I guess it sounds like Stanley. Sounds like standard to me. So we'll try that. Okay, it's going to be way too big. Try 764, which is what some of the master locks are. Nope. 30 seconds. No, okay. So maybe it is metric. Let's try 2.5 millimeters. So I've never taken one of these apart before, but my guess is going to be that's going to come out, and then the shackle, I would imagine, would come out somehow. I'm gonna get to do something with the plug. Turn it. Okay, so our shackle's out. And now there's going to be this big spring in there. Okay, this is one of those fun ones to put back together, probably. Well, the spring doesn't want to come out. Okay, fine. I mean, if I can get... I don't know if that's another Allen screw now or not that holds the bottom plate on. And I'm completely new to this. Yeah, it is an Allen. But maybe it's smaller, which should be... Stand up here. Yeah, that's interesting. 2 different sizes on one lock. What a pain that is. So, yeah, the lug came up. Okay, there's bottom plate. And there's our dust cover. Dust cover's an anti-drill thing, there's an anti-drill ball. And our actuator. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. And does the actuator come out or no? Okay, so it's a pretty long core. But good news is it seems to be standard size like house locks and stuff are, so now that I've gotten this far, I should be able to get it apart fairly easily. Okay, and this thing, of course, has got some grease and stuff on it here because it is new. Alright, so key and use follower. Alright, so far so good. Okay, so, oh Jesus Christ, man. I'm on just a run of dirty locks, and this is supposed to be not used. This has black crap all over it, so it makes me think maybe it was outside. But anyway, so for key pins, and number 1, standard, 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 standard. Standard and standard. Okay, so all standard key pins, which pretty much what I expected on that. And then now the top pins. Okay, so I like having a normal sized plug here. Okay, so that's I guess that's sort of a spool. Let me see if I can put my finger here. I mean, it's oh shit. I mean, it's like notched out in the middle. I don't know if that's like one of those anti-bump deals or what. I don't know. It's I don't want to call it a spool, but it's not standard either. Okay, and 2 is completely standard. I think that probably is a bump pin in number 1 there. 3 is standard. And I think they're all going to be, because I didn't feel anything that indicates to me that there is any kind of security in these. And number 4 is standard. 5 standard. And 6 is... Well, 6 is a little bit different. 6 has two kind of cutouts in it. I mean, straight, I don't know. I mean, that might just be another kind of bump thing again, too. I'm not sure. It's not really a serrated pin. And then as far as springs go, this thing did feel like it had pretty good spring tension to me. So let's see if I can dump spring 1 out. So 1 is just, it's a regular spring. Okay, 2, 3, ain't nothing special on these. 4, 5, and 6. So right there, okay. So what I've got here, all standard pins except for number 1 has that little slice in the middle, which I don't know what that is, and then 6 has a little 2 slices, but I don't want to really call them serrated pins. They didn't feel like serrated pins. But anyways, like I said, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, or you can always dislike, but like I always say, still subscribe anyway. And that's all for now. We will talk to everybody later.